What's up, guys? So today we got something a little different going on. We're messing with the Mustang, and we are going to put a short throw shifter in it. It's Hurst. I don't know much about it. Dylan might know a little more. No. We've already ripped the console out and got the shift knob off. We haven't actually started disconnecting everything and actually doing the underneath work. We're fixing to jack the car up and go from there.
Let's see if that fits.
So would you like to explain what you're doing?
13 millimeter. Trying to get all the slop and the slack out of the shifter where it's got 5 miles of travel when you're trying to put it in and out of gear.
Is that where the drive shaft has come loose before?
Oh yeah, I think so, right there.
Yeah, but I'm saying, has it come loose before?
Yeah.
Look right there. Is that that's a gash in the side of it?
Where?
On your side of this thing right here. If you slide towards me a little bit, you'll be able to see it. See that big ass gash right there?
Right here?
No, on the side of the. Put your finger
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll beat the fuck out of this thing.
Is that it?
Does it say 1/2 on it?
Yeah, it does. Hey Dylan, who's Snapchat from Davey Redheart?
Huh?
Davey Redheart?
Who?
I don't know. Davey with a red heart beside the name.
Is Snapchat?
Yeah.
All right. Something you want to tell us about, Dylan?
Yeah, whenever you add somebody, they can set their own fucking name.
Is it special to you?
Are you sure it says Davey or Delaney?
Would you care to explain?
At this point, does it matter?
Yeah, she's a woman. I promise. Just cut her dick off.
Alright, so we've got the shifter in the car. So if you look here, it's all in the car. We got it all put back there. Well, now we're putting the console back in, but before we put the console back in, we've got a cake right here. It's hard to see, but right here, there goes some light on there. These little lights don't even work. Alright, so there's these 2 little pieces just that cover right here. They're nothing but just little plastic pieces. But we're going to take and wrap those in the carbon fiber before we put them back on, and then we'll throw the knob back on there and give it a test drive.
So we spent all morning ripping the old shifter out of the car and replacing it with a new Hurst one. Like so. I think it looks pretty damn good. Let me know if I should put my carbon fiber shift knob back in it.
So now we're gonna go give it a little test drive and see how things work. The shifter that was in this thing before and everything, whenever you would shift and all this stuff, it would play. Like it would move from here to here. I mean, it was just, they had a lot of play.
Vibrate. You'd put it in first gear and then you'd be able to go all the way over.
It would vibrate going down the road, wiggle, wobble. This one is nice, tight, and snug, and seems to like it's gonna do a lot better. Dylan's drove it just around from the back of the shop to the front of the shop, so we're about to really see what it'll do. So while we're out test driving this, what we're doing now is we're on our way. We're gonna grab some food while we're out, but we're also gonna go out to the local Hobby Lobby and find some stuff that we're gonna do for the channel that's coming up. But we'll probably explain it later, but once we get there and find the material and stuff like that we're looking for. Vibration it was doing before. Why are you gonna be riding around with your damn hand just sitting on it anyways? You ain't gonna feel it in the balls. Everything's nice. Look at this. Hearst on there. It's got the Hearst on the damn thing here. It's real. It feels good too. It doesn't feel cheap.
Hey, I got a short throat.
So, what do we got here?
Fold it twice. So then the edges.
If we're gonna do something like that, though, I want to make it look decent. See, I don't like that material. I like that better than I do this.
I'd do this.
So we had to go back in after we tried to pay. They wouldn't let us leave with the little piece because it didn't have what the yardage was on the material. But we did manage to pick up one of these. I don't know what they're putting in the water here, but that was a big fucking rose.